Skyler with Dynomite. Today I'm going to show you basically why we calibrate injectors off of desired horsepower and not just percentage over. So today I got a 6.7 injector with 150% over nozzle, and I'm going to show you a difference between the same nozzle, same body, just by changing a little bit of calibration and what the flow difference is. Right now, it's just building rail pressure here, purging all the air out, and once we get desired rail pressure, it'll start counting MMs cubed, and that's what we base our numbers off of here. We're going to run both this injector at 1700, 180 both times, just to confirm results. So it's kind of hovering around that 216 mm, 217 mm mark with this calibration done to it. So I'm going to pull it back out real quick. Come over to our test bench and change the calibration shim. So as you can see, we're using the same injector body, same nozzle, just changing a simple calibration shim on 150% over 6.7 nozzle. Same settings as the last injector. Then commanding 180 MPa and 1700 US on the test plan. Instead of pumping 216 mm's, same injector, same 150% over nozzle, is now pumping 338 mm's in the stand on the same test stand. That is why we cannot just base everything off of percentage over on nozzles, and why we want your desired horsepower on what your application is. Thank you.